All right, now let's do something that's a little bit more challenging. 2x plus 5y is less than 15. How would you graph this guy?
Solve for y. Get y by itself.
You solve for y. Now, by solving for y, it tells me that you're going to put it in what form? In what form? This is standard form. We're going to put it in slope-intercept form. So 5y is less than what? Negative 2x plus 15. How do I finish getting y by itself? Divide by 5. It's not until you get y completely by itself can you identify the slope and the y-intercept. So we have negative 2/5 x plus 3. Tell me the slope. Negative 2/5. What's the y-intercept?
0, 3.
Yes, the ordered pair is 0, 3. Is it solid or dashed? Why is it a dashed line? Because it doesn't have the equal to component here. That means when you plot these points, they must be open circles. And you will shade above. It says y is less than, so that means shade below. Other questions about how we got each of these components? No? All right. What part do I use first? What's the y-intercept?
0, 3.
So when I go to 0, 3, you use an open circle. Do not make that closed. And why is it open this time? It's not equal to. So now I've used my y-intercept. Use your slope, which is down 2 over 5. That means from left to right, your line is doing what? It's going down. So down 2 over 5, down 2, I'm off somewhere over here, so that's not very useful. Go up 2 and backwards 5. Now we've talked about finding that midpoint before. So instead of going down 2, I'm going to go down 1 and over not 5, but 2.5. And by doing this, it makes it a lot easier for me to get my line. So I've used my slope. Now let's do our dashed line. Please be accurate. You do have arrows at the ends. There's my dashed line. Which way do I shade? I'm going to shade below this guy. Any questions about that one? Does it all make sense enough so far? Okay.